welcome back to Zeke's Lunchbox. It's August, the end of August. Whoa, there is some intense construction out there, so if you can hear it, sorry. I was just reviewing all the stuff from this month and I record little bits here and there, and I realize it's really confusing and a jumbled mess. So I'm sitting down at the end of August, you know, to kind of recount what happened. And I might make this a little tradition for all of my vlogs just because it seems like a better way to be able to describe what the heck happened in this month, because it's like such a like blah blah blah. I don't know. I'm experimenting. We'll see. It has been quite a lot of videos since my other vlog, and I actually haven't been able to sit down and thank you guys except for on Instagram when it happened like 5 weeks ago. Last studio vlog I had a full-on breakdown, if you can recount. If you are new, here it is. I don't want to do anything else in my life, but I just don't want to. You can get all the tea in that video, but I realized that I haven't actually sat down to thank you guys on YouTube about all of that. I want to say thank you so much for all of your comments, all of the private messages, just all of the support from that video. I feel like we really bonded over that, and I don't know, even if you're not in a creative industry, I feel like you can really relate to like all the fears that I had in that. But anyway, it's not about that anymore. It's about thanking you guys for supporting my channel, supporting my art, and yeah, just all the well wishes from that, because it really means a lot. So thank you so much if you did that. Yeah. Moving on, I had a plan of what I wanted this month to kind of be about. I don't know, actually that's not true. I sat down and I was like, I don't know what this month is about. I have no idea what this month is going to entail. I have a brief idea, but really my main focus is trying to get this tarot card deck underway. I have been filming all the little progression that's been going on with tarot. If you don't know, I am working on a tarot card deck. Yes, I really want it to be the major and minor arcana set, which is a giant project. I've never undertaken anything that big before. As we know, whoa, this earring, what the heck? Hello, little prawn. He wants to, you know, join the convo. Yeah, okay. There's just been so much evolution with the tarot card project. I don't know what we're up to. So let me just like kind of recount like major points. I am working with a business partner on this tarot card set. It is called Zeke's Arcana. If you go to my website, you can see lots of little information here and there about all of that. You can see little sneak peeks, etc. Our original plan was to just make 3 cards and then launch a Kickstarter to then, you know, get the money, so I would have obviously money to make it, money to send it out, and then also some money to kind of like pay myself for the next couple of months, because I will not be taking client work in that time. My business partner has been doing so much research into like what works, what doesn't. We're chatting to so many different people because we want this set to be really, really good and serve you guys as much as possible. Because we are doing it through Kickstarter or Indiegogo, I'm not sure yet. We met up with a small business called Flamenco. They make cards as well. They're an Australian business. I had a meeting with them and told them what our plan was, showed them a couple of our sample cards. Have you guys seen the sample cards? Wait a second. These are the sample cards. So I showed them these. Things are gonna change. These are just the promotional ones, so the backs just have like information about it. The layout is totally changing with these. This card is being redone because anyway, I'm making a video about this, so stay tuned. Had a meeting with them and they basically shattered our whole plan and our whole world. All right. I just had my meeting with the guys over at Flamenco. I just had like the most mind-blowing meeting. Look, I'll have to chat to you guys tomorrow about it, and I need to talk to my business partner as well, just because we almost have to like completely rethink the way we're doing this tarot card project. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow about it. Which was really confronting at the time, but now that my partner and I have had like a couple of weeks to really like let that all sink in, it has just actually been way better. And the plan that we have now is it's just gonna be so much better now. So I'm really excited for that. So what is the plan? Basically, we told them we were gonna have 3 cards to launch a Kickstarter, and they told us that was not enough. We basically need to have all the major Arcana set, or like at least like 10 cards or something, to show you guys that we are serious about making this project. So that was like, whoa, I don't know how I'm going to fund not taking client work and really putting tarot as the priority. We were going to launch the crowdfunding project this year, and upon like learning all this additional information, it was just going to be way too premature, so it has been pushed back to being released sometime in 2019. And I'm really hoping we'll still be interested in like 6 months time, 9 months time. I feel like I announced it so early because we did have the plan of launching it sometime this year, but it's just not feasible. And yeah, I don't know. I really hope you guys are just excited to watch more of the process. I'll be posting so much more content about tarot. Yeah, so look a little bit bare for now. I want to add a couple of things to like the background, maybe a couple of patterns. Nothing too extreme. I think just those tiny little things really push it to feeling like finished. Yeah, I don't know. I feel pretty happy with it. They want 5 of these, so yeah. I've sent this version off to get approved and we'll see what they say. So my new computer's been awesome. When I edited my last video, it wasn't crashing, which is great. That's exactly what I've been wanting. My other computer is just on the floor at the moment because I'll be selling it, but I just haven't had the time to like really go through it to make sure I've gotten everything off of it. I just want to hold on to it for now for like a couple of weeks just in case. I sketched this piece up in the iPad Pro as well. I've printed 4 sheets out on A3 paper, and I also got this stuff over here. I'm gonna try a new technique where I prime the canvas, put the base layer on, and then I'm also going to trace the pencil lines over it. It's pretty rare for me to trace something and, I don't know, do it this way. I never thought that that would be the kind of technique that I would go down, mostly because I just go straight onto the canvas. I want my compositions to be a lot more intense, or I want things to just be a lot better balanced. And some people may turn their nose up at this technique, but I feel like I just need to experiment a little bit more, and I want this piece to be very intentional. Alrighty, so I've just uploaded a blog post with a t-shirt design that I have been working on with a client. I've got 2 regular clients that I've been doing a lot of work for. Yeah, I feel like it's really funny how July was all like, well, I don't know what I'm doing with my life, and now August was like, here, have some work, and the universe was like, oi, shut up. Anyway, so yeah, thanks universe, that was good. And also thanks to you guys, because you've been so freaking supportive. It's been amazing. Yeah, just really supportive with the shop, and things have just been awesome lately. The biggest downside is because I have 3 client jobs going at the moment, I haven't had much time to work on tarot stuff, which has been pretty annoying, but this is the first year I'm doing full-time freelance art and design. I'm still trying to work out a balance of, you know, making money, but also making time to work on the stuff that I want to work on, you know, proper Zeke's lunchbox stuff. What I did this month, I didn't actually tell you guys, but I went away to Alice Springs to see my family because my dad was in town, or my dad was in the country rather. So that was good. Here are some photos. I know not art related whatsoever. I just want to show you guys how beautiful Alice Springs is. And I might have to make a little study sessions episode on the photos that I took there. Last week, I told you guys that I have these purses here. These have gone gangbusters on the site, and I have actually sold out of the other style. I do have a couple of these left. I can't say when I'm gonna restock these, but just get on them if you've been like eyeing it off, because I only have 3 left. I do have these new stickers as well. I've been wanting to get like die cut stickers for quite some time, with my personal work, I've been doing a lot of like unique shapes and stuff with my pieces. So yeah, I thought they were really appropriate for stickers, and I'm pretty obsessed with the heart sticker. I haven't been showing you guys, but I have been packing orders like pretty regularly, almost like every second day or so. I haven't been vlogging that because it's kind of monotonous. I don't know if you guys enjoy that stuff, let me know. Yeah, that's basically it. That's where I'm up to. So I'm gonna keep painting today and wrap up a couple of things for these clients. Yeah, chat to you soon. All right, that's it for me this vlog. Let me know if you enjoyed the more like recapped kind of version. I just feel like because I do a whole month, there's just too much that happens in it and so many different like changes. So if you guys enjoy that stuff, let me know. If you want it to be more chronological, let me know. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Lots of good things are happening on the channel soon. Videos that are coming soon. Studio tour, another study sessions, some time lapses of tarot. Lots of good things. In the meantime, you can catch me on Instagram and Facebook, and if you want to support the channel and my art, you can always go over to zekeslunchbox.com. I will be opening a Patreon soon. Yeah, hopefully in September, October, I'm not sure yet, but it's coming. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!